I'm going to show you how to tie the Munter Hitch. The Munter Hitch is a great tool to allow you to lower yourself as a climber or actually belay somebody if you only have a single wide carabiner. This is also useful if you need to lower yourself off a cliff or lower a load where you can control the power and slide. This is a super simple hitch to tie. So all you do is take, and here's the standing part where we're going to hang the rope, and here's the running end where we're going to do the work. All you do is just flip just a simple loop, and then over this loop, we're going to come around and mate these two. And all you do is you take your carabiner, you clip it through just like this, and you're done. Now that doesn't look like much, but watch what happens when I pull on this. So if you want to start lowering yourself and this end is attached to a cliff, you're going to slowly drag down, and this will be your brake hand. But let's say all of a sudden you need to start feeding rope in that direction, right? You could feed rope, no problem. But if you want to go the other way, let's just say you need to spool it out in the other direction, you pull on the rope and the Munter Hitch automatically flips, and now it can twist and pull just like this, where you can tighten it up with your brake hand, which is here. So if you're dangling on this portion, no problem. It's super easy to control. If you loosen it up, it spins pretty well. And again, if we change the loading direction, maybe we need to feed some slack to a climber. Feed. Just that simple. Typically when you're belaying, you would lock this so this Munter Hitch doesn't come around and accidentally unclip, so there's no way you can get out of control. Again, the downside of this hitch is that it does twist the rope a lot. So it puts quite a bit of binding in there, and that's just how it is. But when you flip it around, it goes through, and then boom, just like that. Now do note that this will fuzz your rope up over time. That's why people do use ATCs and gree-grees and all that sort of stuff. I do feature the Munter Hitch in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know. The Munter Hitch is right here, how to tie it, and most importantly, the only locking carabiner for this hitch. You use a single regular carabiner. If you use a very thin, small carabiner, when you flip the Munter Hitch around, if it comes across that gate, it is possible that when you pull it, it could unlock. So just do be very mindful of that. Since your life is on the line, hopefully you'll be more attentive. You lock that bad boy up and spool it through. And there you go, Munter Hitch. Super magical, just a single loop, and you can lower yourself. I have climbed with the Munter Hitch. I have had people belay me with it. I have been on the sharp end of it, and I have belayed people with the Munter Hitch, and it works great. Please check out links below to my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know, for the material in this video and others. Thank you very much for watching.